Alright, hey guys, so this morning we're on our way to the cleanup site and we're gonna reward all the workers with something of their choosing. Maybe like sandals, a shirt, or a ball, or whatever they want. So we're gonna go ask them. And this is a big thank you to everyone who helps out with these kind of things. So I think that's their plan for right now. And we're also gonna help all the surrounding kids too. Like, there's more kids than just the helpers. Try to get a list of names of so we can kind of get a count of what to get at the store, kind of get an idea of what they want. We'll go to Robinson. I'm not sure of the selection there, and maybe SM. It just depends. Yeah. But again, thank you everyone. That's kind of our plan. What do you think? Yeah, we'll make a list first and then go. We'll check it twice. Yeah. You don't know who's naughty or nice? Hey, let's see that thing. Oh, nice shot. All right, check out this ball. So if you don't have your own ball, this is how you make it. Just newspaper and tape. They're making their own ball. Very creative. It's a sunny day, but it's actually kind of raining. Yeah, it's humid, but it's like raining too. So we can feel the rain coming down a little bit. All right, so we're at the set right now. The 5 older kids, we're gonna take them to the mall. I think it's 15. Hopefully we can bring them in and they can pick out their own pair of shoes. And then the rest, we have the kids lining up. And then we're gonna ask them each what they want, and then they'll write it down, and we'll go to the store and get it. Yeah. So that's the plan right now. All right, so word is getting out that we're getting toys for everybody, and check out the kids. All right, but that's okay. Thanks to everyone that helps out with these kind of things. We're gonna get a toy for everybody. David, and what would you like? Ball. Okay. Everyone wants a ball. What's your name? Sandra? What would you like? Barbie? Alright. Sophia. What would you like, Sophia? Barbie. Micah. What would you like, Micah? Barbie or Hello Kitty? Barbie, alright. Barbie is very popular. John Locke. That's like Lost. Have you guys ever seen Lost? John Locke. Huh? Truck or car? Alright, so we're on our way. I'm gonna have to count these. There are kids coming everywhere. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, but right now I think there's over like 100 names. We're gonna try our best. As we leave, more and more people are asking. All right, so we tried our best to make a list. We have many names on here, boys, and then the girls are below it. So we're gonna have to make a tally and see exactly what they want. But I think most of the kids want balls, the girls want Barbies, and I'll try to get them some badminton too. No one asked for badminton, but maybe I'll try to get a few and some other things. But the more we waited around, there's literally kids lined up around the block. But we have our day cut out for us. We're at Robinson Mall pretty soon, and we're gonna try to get as much as we can. I just want to show you guys something real quick. This is really cool. I just noticed this today. All these bikes here, you can park your bike if you ride your bike to work or to the shop. They have their own bicycle repair station. This is so cool, and it's for free. They have all these tools here, everything you need to repair your bike. And then over here, they have this to pump up your bike tire. I've never seen that anywhere before. Free? For free, yeah. That's so cool. So shout out to the Philippines or to Robinson Mall. I think that's really cool. All right, before we go, since these are kind of the older kids, I just think, since we're gonna get them some shoes, maybe we can get some kind of promise that you guys will maybe start to throw away your trash in the correct spot and try to keep areas clean a little bit. And since you guys are the older ones, you guys can be like the mentors for the younger kids. If Richie can kind of translate.
Diba, nakakuan mo no, sa kakapoy man limpyo no, kay kuan man, so kanang inspiration sa mo sa mga gagmayng bata. Doon sa ginyo sila ba, ipakita ninyo nila nga din ninyo ilaban yung basura dito. So dinyo sa.
All right, sounds good. All right. All right, so this might be the hard part. I'm not sure if they're gonna let them in or not. The hard part about getting shoes, and I think that's what most of them want, is that it's hard to get a match. So if they can't get in here, we might be able to find another location where they can get them. Oh, they did get in. All right, that's good. All right, so right now they're picking out, some kids are getting sandals and then other ones want t-shirts. So they're gonna pick out their things here. And then after this, we'll go get the toys and the balls. If you were a kid, what would you ask for? Barbie, ball,
Kid?
color pencil? If you were a kid, if you were their age, what would you ask for?
Barbie.
Barbie?
Or for cooking.
For cooking? Yeah, there's only one kid that asked something for like a cooking toy.
Yeah.
The rest were color pencils. Barbies was high for all the girls, and then balls. Even a couple girls asked for balls, but balls were like 40 something. But we're gonna let them take their time. They're picking out their clothes. Here's the mini version of LeBron James and the actual. Who'd win in a basketball game? LeBron James or Kevin Durant?
Kevin Durant.
Kevin Durant would win? So we're getting them some shirts right now. And lucky us and lucky you guys, they promised us they're gonna do a TikTok dance later, right? Yeah. All right, cool. So right now we're just getting the shirts, and then after this we'll get the toys for the kids. All right, so it was a good thing that the help can come in with us today. I have a feeling we might need it. So we're gonna try to find all the balls, all the Barbies. Hopefully they have everything we need in here. All right, look at this. This is crazy. Just for a truck like this is over 1,000 pesos. So we're gonna try to find some alternatives. I wish I can get, 100 of this, but that would be, 100,000 pesos. So we're gonna try to find some other alternatives. Look at this real life Lego character. It's almost as tall as me. All right guys, so we're getting the toys right now. We end up getting 44 balls, 36 Barbies, 2 baby toys, 4 toy trucks, 6 bubble sets, 2 yo-yos, 1 cooking toy, 1 frisbee, 8 badminton racks and birdies. And then after this, we couldn't find Hello Kitty toys here and colored pencils. So we're gonna try to find or locate those next. Here's a little look at some of the things that we got so far. We got all the balls down there, all the Barbies and the toys. So after this, we'll try to find the remaining toys and then go surprise all the kids with all the stuff that they wanted. All right, so here's the total so far. We still need to find the Hello Kitty and the colored pencils. All right, so we got the colored pencils and the paper, and then the guys are carrying the boxes filled with the rest of the toys. And we have one thing we can't find yet, and that's the Hello Kitty. So we're gonna try our best to go find the Hello Kitty. We're not exactly where, but they said maybe in the department store. All right, so we found 7 Hello Kitty bags. All right, so I think we got everything. We're on our way back now. We got extra stuff too. We got some badminton games and some frisbees and some other things. And some extra balls and extra Barbies just in case there's some kids that, they didn't give us their names. So we got over 100 toys. We got the guys some clothes. And I think that's everything. I think we got everything we need. But it was quite an adventure. So we're gonna head back now and try to get each of their toys to each one of the kids. All right, so on the way home, we met Annabelle, and Annabelle is actually their dog. So that's how we know which name it is. But we're gonna give it a little meal. We carry some doggy food with us now. So, hey Annabelle. Hey man. Annabelle's a little shy. We have a big audience here today. So I think I'll just leave this for her, and then Annabelle can eat it when she wants to. because I'm trying to spread awareness about picking up trash and things like that. So to reward the kids and also to spread awareness. Do you guys, from today on forth, it's hard with so many kids. Hey, you guys, can you guys hear me? Yes. All right, from today on forward, can you guys be more aware of your trash and try to put it in the correct place and not just throw it on the floor and try to find a trash can?
Sagad karon, dili na ta magsakot-sakot ha, ilabay na nato sa saktong lugar atong basura, okay? Thank you.
Alright, next. Angelina, and what did you want?
Barbie mo?
A Barbie? A Barbie?
Kitty.
Oh, Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty.
Oh, Hello Kitty. There you go.
Oh, hey.
Thank you.
Okay.
And what's your name?
Kristen.
And what did you want? Hello Kitty. There you go.
Thank you.
Okay.
Kyle, and what did you want, Kyle? A ball? What? Oh, what's your name?
David.
David?
Ball.
Oh, alright.
Oh. Thank you.
What's your name? And what did you want? What toy did you want? A Barbie? Here you go.
Oh. You see. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh.
Barbie.
Thank you.
Thank you.
What toy did you ask for? Barbie? Barbie?
Sabi mo ha. Hello Kitty.
Oh, Hello Kitty. There you go.
Oh, thank you.
What toy did you want?
Barbie?
Barbie?
Thank you.
Barbie.
There you go.
Mama na nga sa bata sa iyo.
What did you ask for? Barbie?
You say thank you.
No problem. Colored pencils, alright.
Oh, this is a school supply.
So if you ask for colored pencils, here you guys go.
Say thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, muna yung order. Tulo sila. Kaupat mo no.
Here you go.
Say thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Dustin Backpacks.
Oh, say thank you.
Oh, I think that's all the girls. Alright.
Hindi lang ito makayo kay Jano na may pangalan. Yeah.
Thank you.
Ano, thank you. Ano, thank you.
Thank you, bye.
Thank you. Oh. Thank you. Thank you.
Alright, it's okay. You don't have to grab the kids. Oh, here's one of the kids that wanted the truck. Here you go.
Thank you.
So we're at the barbecue store right across where we cleaned up the lot, and we got a few toys that is for everybody. We have a basketball, some badminton, and some other games like this. And so what they're gonna do, the kids are gonna borrow it.
Yeah,
and
they will return after they play with this,
yes.
so that everybody can use this.
Yeah. So thank you very much for doing that.
You're welcome.
All right.
My pleasure.
All right, Richie, you can help me translate after. But it's nice that everyone got a toy. What the main purpose was today was to try to teach the kids, you know, what to do with your trash and try to keep this area clean. So the 4 or 5 helpers that were a little bit older, you guys can help the younger generation to try to help them pick up the trash, and they can also be in charge of the rackets and the balls. What you guys want to have the responsibility of teach the youngers about like what to do with their trash?
Kanang kwan, karon na may responsibilidad ha. Mutanaw mo nila nga kanang maglabay sila basura ana, then responsibilidad po ninyo ang duaan po ninyo diri ha. Sige.
All right, so these nice guys are going to show us some of their TikTok dances.
1, 2, 3, go!
Alright, thanks guys! Bye-bye! Bye guys! Bye-bye! Bye guys! Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Bye! Bye! Bye guys! Alright! Wow, that was a fun day. So now, I think we're just gonna head back and maybe relax for the rest of the day. That was
Drink cold water.
drink some cold water. But that was a very fun day. Again, thank you everyone who helps out these kind of things. We will not be able to do this without you guys, but we need some water right now. So we'll see you guys later, and God bless. Bye bye.
I don't have voice anymore.
Yeah, we yelled and shouted so many times. Little Richie.
Distance, line, boy, line.
Little Richie might be small, but she has a big voice. We both are very hoarse right now.
No, I cannot talk.
It's like, oh.